Good morning. Today we are doing Colorado Trail Segment 4. We are here at the Pane Creek trailhead, about to begin this segment of our journey. We've been climbing uphill. Got to a place where there's a clearing in the trees where you can see Mount Rosalie. We are now entering Lost Creek Wilderness. We are going to register and get our permit up here at the station. We've come to one of my favorite sections on the trail. This is absolutely beautiful in the fall. The leaves all turn colors. It's still beautiful today. We've made it to the side of the old cabin, which is also the juncture to the Pane Creek Trail. So that direction is Pane Creek, and we're going to continue on this for Colorado Trail. Our first creek crossing of the day. We just climbed up this very long, gradual hill and come to this sign. We're going to go to our left. First down tree, like major one anyway. Hopefully I don't get stuck. Whew. Starting to get to the section of the valley. We've got a beautiful view. I believe that's Kenosha Mountains. I'm going to stop here and take a second break of the day. This cool lean-to is, before we get into that really exposed section. We're to the juncture where the Colorado Trail meets up and follows along the Brookside McCurdy Trail. We're still making our way through this valley. It's very exposed, very hot. It's starting to feel like a wilted flower, no pun intended. Filtering some water. Coming to the end of the meadow. Got this down tree right here. Guess we're gonna go around.